Hello friends, welcome to Railway or SSC YouTube channel. Today I am discussing 20 most important polity questions and I will give 8 seconds to answer each questions. Let's start. First question. Name the first female prime minister of the world. Option A Indira Gandhi, option B Sirimavo Bandare Naike, option C Golda Meir, option D Elizabeth Domitin. So answer is option B is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India is related to the Uniform Civil Code? Option A Article 44, option B Article 46, option C Article 45, option D Article 43. Answer is Article 44, option A. Trick to remember is uniform means same, everywhere means same number, like that you have to remember. So Article 44 is the right answer. Next question. In which part of the Indian Constitution are center-state relation mentioned? Option A part 11, option B part 9, option C part 5, option D part 12. So answer going to be part 11. Next question. Which of the following articles promotes equal justice and free legal aid for all citizens? Option A 39A, option B 32A, option C 43A, option D 48A. The answer is 39A. Option A is the right answer. Next question. The maximum number of nominated members to Lok Sabha is option A 3, option B 5, option C 2, option D 1. The answer going to be what? Answer is 2. C is the right answer. Next question. Who decides on the issue related to the qualification of a member of a Lok Sabha under the 10th schedule? Option A Prime Minister, option B Speaker, option C President, option D none of the above. So answer is B is the right answer, Speaker. Seventh question. What is the term of elected representatives of a Gram Panchayati? Option A 5, option B 4, option C 6, option D 3. As all know, option A is the right answer, 5 years. Which article of the Constitution of India talks about the provisions for impeachment of a President of India? Which article? Article 53, Article 54, Article 63, none of the above. So answer going to be Article 54 is the right answer, impeachment of a President of India. Ninth question. The Constitution of India first amended for the first time in which year? It is very important question, friends. Option A 1961, option B 1954, option C 1951, option D 1956. So answer going to be, answer is C option 1951. 10th question. In the context of Indian Parliament, what is the 0 hour? Option A time immediately after question hour, option B time before the question hour, option C time in the first half of parliamentary proceeding, option D none of the above. Answer going to be option A is the right answer, time immediately after question hour. Who takes the final decision on whether bill is money bill or not? Option A President, option B Speaker, option C Finance Minister, option D none of the above. The answer is Speaker. B is the right answer. How many types of births are there in Indian Constitution? Option A 4, option B 6, option C 2, option D 5. Answer for the 12th question is D is the right answer, 5. Part 4 of the Constitution of India deals with option A Union, option B state, Option C, DPSP. DPSP means Directive Principles of State Policy. Option D, none of the above. So answer going to be what? Part 4th. C is the right answer, DPSP. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? How many fundamental duties are mentioned? Option A, 11th. Option B, 10. Option C, 15. Option D, 20. The answer going to be, what is the answer? Answer is, option A is the right answer. 11 fundamental duties are mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Option, 15th question. Who among the following is the executive head of the India? Who is that? A. Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Speaker. Option D, none of the above. The answer is B is the right answer, President. Who appoints the governor of a state in India? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Speaker. Option D, none of the above. What is the answer? Answer is B is the right answer, President. 17th question. Anti-defection law is given in which schedule of Indian Constitution? And which schedule? Option A, 2nd schedule. Option B, 10th schedule. Option C, 5th schedule. Option D, 7th schedule. So right answer is B is the right answer. 10th schedule is, in that 10th schedule, anti-defection law is mentioned. 18th question. Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision for the national emergency? Article A, 350. Article B, A option, Article 350. B option, Article 352. C option, Article 356. D, none of the above. The national emergency means B is the right answer, Article 352. 19th question. Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision for financial emergency? Option A, Article 350. Option B, Article 352. Option C, Article 360. Option D, none of the above. What is the right answer? Financial emergency, Article 360. Nothing but option C is the right answer. Last question. Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision for the constitutional emergency? Option A, Article 350. Option B, Article 352. Option C, Article 356. D is none of the above. Right answer is constitutional emergency, nothing but Article 356. Option C is the right answer. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and click on bell icon. When I upload new video, you will get notified. Okay, thank you.